students, today we will learn the image formation by different mirrors. We have two mirrors in our syllabus. One is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. Once again, we revise here regarding different points on which are present on principal axis. This is concave mirror, okay, and the line passing from the center is called principal axis. This is the principal axis here. The point that is C is the center, and half of it means the midpoint between P and C. P is pole and C is center, is called focus. Similarly, in case of convex mirror, the line is principal axis and center C, P is pole and its midpoint is focus. Now we will learn to draw different images by these two mirrors. The first is we will learn the rules which we follow while drawing different images. The first one is whenever the light ray, this is the light ray, and whenever the light ray comes parallel to the principal axis, you can see in the diagram the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. It always goes from focus like that. This is the focus and this is the reflected ray. The point which the line which meets the C, that is normal to this mirror, and this is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. In case of convex mirror, same. In case of convex mirror, whenever a line comes parallel to the principal axis, it will also come to the focus, and we will draw it like that. This is the reflected ray, and here angle of I is equal to again angle of R. This is the first rule. When the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, it always comes from focus. The second rule is when the ray passes from principal focus. It means when the ray comes to the focus, this will be the ray. The ray come to the focus. What will happen? It becomes parallel. It is just reverse to the first one. These line will be straight. You will draw with the help of a scale. Here also the ray comes to the principal axis and it also becomes parallel to the principal axis. This is the reflected ray, this is the reflected ray. Angle of I, angle of R. When the ray passes from center of curvature like that, it will again reflected back to the same path. Here also when the ray comes to the center, it will comes back to the same path. These three rules we will apply and we can draw any diagram. The first was whenever light ray comes parallel, it will go from focus. The second is whenever light ray from focus, it will become parallel. And the third one is whenever the light ray comes to the center, then it will goes back to the same direction. The last that may be used is whenever the light ray comes in this way, then it will goes reflect with the same angle. Here also this is the incident ray, and this the ray comes to the pole, this also back. Now we will draw the diagrams one by one. One by one we will take first from concave mirror. Concave mirror. Here first understand the positions. The first one is when the object, how we can show the object? We will show the object like that. This is the object. And what can be the position of object? First one is infinity. Second is beyond C. Third we will study at C. Then between C and F. Then at F. And then F and P. How many images are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 images we can draw. Let's draw one by one. This is for concave mirror. The first one is when the light ray is come from infinity. It means the object is at infinity. How we will draw the diagram? The rays in this case will come parallel to the principal axis because the object is much far. We will consider that they come parallel to the principal axis. And the rule number 1, whenever the ray come parallel to the principal axis, it goes from focus, and it will comes from reflect from focus. Arrow, ये arrow इधर लगाया क्योंकि the light ray comes, and this is for reflected ray, and the both lines cut at focus. It means the image, जो image बनी है वो बनी है at focus, यानी position क्या हुई? Focus, at focus. Nature, whenever the image from this side of concave mirror will be real and inverted. In size you can see point image and very small image. Okay, position at focus, nature real and inverted, size very small. Now we will take the second one. Whenever the light ray is at beyond C, the light ray is beyond C, what will happen? When the light ray is beyond C, we will take again two light rays. One is parallel to the principal axis. जो parallel आएगी, then again it get reflected from focus. It will comes from focus. How? This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Focus पर आ गई. The second ray which we will take, we can take from focus as well as at pole. Let's take from pole. If I take it from pole, then it comes on pole like that, and with the same angle it will goes back, and the point of intersection of both reflected rays, this and this is the image. And how is the image? Again it is inverted. It means real and inverted. The position between C and F, you can see it is between C and F, and the size compare करेंगे, it is smaller than object. This is the image when the object is beyond C. Next is at C. इस बार हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को C पर रख दिया है. What will happen? One ray which always goes parallel goes from focus. एक रे जो निकली वो focus से निकली, and that is reflected ray. and the second one we will take from focus. जो focus से गई, it will become parallel, and you can very easily see, and when you draw with the help of scale and all, that same size image is formed at the same point. It means the position at C, real and inverted, size is same. Now the next one, again हमने इसको थोड़ा आगे खिसका दिया. It means the object reaches between C and F. In this case, you can see here the object reaches between C and F. One ray here goes parallel. Parallel जो गई वो कहाँ से निकली? Focus से. This blue line, that is okay. This is, and the second one, it will goes from C. C की तरफ से गई. The rule says कि C उसी पाथ से वो वापस आ जाएगी. And these both rays cut here. That is the position of image. This is the object, remember, and this is the image. Larger है, size larger, real and inverted, beyond C. After drawing diagram, we can write ourselves. No need to learn that. Okay. The next one. Now the next is when the object is at focus. Focus पे object को रख दिया है. When the object is at focus, then how we will draw the diagram? Once again, one parallel ray goes, and the parallel ray always goes from focus. This is the reflected ray, and one from C. जो C से जाएगा, C पर जाएगा, वो ऐसे ही वापस आ गया. You can see both rays are parallel. It means the image formed at infinity. Position infinity. इधर की तरफ है, इधर है, that means dual and inverted, and it will be very large. We can say enlarged. Next is, the next and last one is between F and P. F और P के बीच इमेज को रखना है, सॉरी ऑब्जेक्ट को रखना है. F and P के बीच में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, again what will happen? One ray come to the parallel. जो रे parallel आई है, that will goes from focus, this one, and one from C. Again, in all diagrams you can see that it is from C. जो C पर आई, C पर how we will draw? We will draw like that. If this is the point C, and this is the position of object, and this is the point C. This is the mirror. You can draw like that. It will go like and comes back. So when it goes and comes back, we see that we can join it behind the mirror, and when these rays goes like that, they will join here, and the image is virtual and erect behind the mirror, larger than the object. These 6 diagrams are for concave mirror